Imagine if tomorrow morning your car could get fully charged in just 3 minutes, and that too, without lithium. Yes, Elon Musk has surprised the world once again. Tesla is now preparing to say goodbye to lithium in the future and replace it with aluminum-ion battery technology. And the biggest thing? It's cheap and fast too. This new battery technology, coming from Tesla in the next few years, will not only shake up the world of electric cars, but also change the direction of the entire EV industry. For years, the shortage and high prices of lithium have been a major headache for Elon Musk. But now, it seems that Musk has finally found a solution, a battery that is cheaper, lighter, and more durable than lithium. But the story doesn't end here. The question is, will this aluminum-ion battery really be able to completely replace lithium? Is its charging speed and range really as impressive as Elon Musk claims? And most importantly, will this make Tesla's cars cheaper than before? If yes, then what will happen to other companies? What will the world of EVs look like after this breakthrough? Before moving further in the video, subscribe to the channel so you can be the first to hear about the biggest revolution in the EV industry. Before we dive into Tesla's futuristic battery technology, let's take a quick look at the advanced battery systems Tesla is using today. It's not just a car battery, it's a moving power station, designed down to the micro level to travel longer, charge faster, and last for years with minimal maintenance. Today, Tesla uses two main types of batteries: lithium iron phosphate (LFP) batteries and nickel cobalt aluminum (NCA) batteries. LFP batteries are now used mainly in Tesla's more affordable cars like the Model 3 and Model Y, especially for the Chinese and Asian markets. The specialty of these batteries is that they are safer, can be recharged more times, and have a longer life. Yes, they're a bit heavier and offer slightly less range, but they're also cheaper and safer, making them perfect for Tesla's lower-cost models. On the other hand, NCA batteries, developed by Tesla in collaboration with Panasonic, are more powerful. They are used in premium models, such as the Model S, Model X, and Cybertruck. These batteries have a very high energy density, meaning they can store more energy in less space, allowing longer travel distances. However, their cooling and maintenance systems are more sensitive. Now, let's talk about Tesla's most advanced battery technology, the 4,680 cells. This battery is Elon Musk's latest game-changing innovation. Its size is hidden in the name itself, 46 millimeters wide and 80 millimeters long. These cells deliver many times more power than the older 2,170 cells and charge much faster. The most interesting thing is that these batteries are now part of Tesla's vehicle structure itself. That means the battery is no longer just an inserted component, it's now an integral part of the car, improving its strength, weight distribution, and performance. To produce these 4,680 batteries, Tesla has adopted a special dry electrode technology, making production cheaper and faster. Tesla's gigafactories are already manufacturing these cells in large quantities, especially for the Model Y and Cybertruck. Elon Musk's dream is to make these batteries so affordable that, in the future, the cost of a car could be comparable to that of a smartphone. Now that we understand how advanced Tesla's current battery systems are, imagine what happens when this same company moves toward future batteries like aluminum-ion. The entire auto industry is about to experience a massive disruption, marking the beginning of a new era in EV technology. How does aluminum-ion battery technology work? Let's now explore the technology that could completely transform the EV world in the coming years: the aluminum-ion battery. The name might sound complicated, but in simple terms, this battery uses aluminum instead of lithium, offering multiple benefits. So, how does this technology actually work? What makes it special? And how can it surpass lithium-ion batteries? First, let's understand the basic function of any battery. A battery has two main parts: a positive electrode, cathode, and a negative electrode, anode. Between them is an electrolyte, through which ions, charged particles, move back and forth. When you turn on a device like a car, phone, or laptop, the ions flow in one direction, generating electricity. When you charge the battery, the ions move back in the opposite direction to recharge. In a lithium-ion battery, these ions are made of lithium, but lithium is rare and expensive. Its mining harms the environment, and its supply is limited. So scientists began looking for alternatives, a metal that's abundant, light, cheap, and allows ions to move very quickly. This led to the idea of the aluminum-ion battery. How aluminum-ion batteries work. In these batteries, aluminum foil is used as the anode, negative side, the same type of aluminum you might use in your kitchen, but in a much purer, technical form. On the cathode side, graphene is used in an extremely thin yet strong layer of carbon that behaves like a superconductor, allowing ions to move very rapidly. When you charge the battery, aluminum ions move from the anode to the graphene cathode. When you discharge, those ions move back, releasing energy. This process involves no dangerous reactions, and, most importantly, it's extremely fast. Aluminum-ion batteries can charge up to 60 times faster than lithium-ion batteries. That means if a lithium battery takes 1 hour to charge, an aluminum battery can be ready in just 1 to 2 minutes. In some prototypes, full charging has been achieved in just 90 seconds. These batteries can be charged and discharged thousands of times. While lithium batteries typically last 1,000 to 2,000 cycles, aluminum-ion batteries can easily last over 10,000 cycles and without any risk of fire or explosion. Aluminum is abundant and easy to recycle, while lithium mining is expensive, limited, and dangerous. This makes aluminum batteries safer and more environmentally sustainable. Because aluminum is lightweight, the entire battery becomes lighter, improving EV efficiency and increasing the driving range. They are also cheaper since they don't use expensive metals like cobalt and require less processing. Aluminum-ion batteries are more stable too. They don't overheat or catch fire easily, unlike lithium batteries, which are infamous for bursting or igniting due to overheating. Then why isn't this technology everywhere yet? The main reason is industrial-scale production. Aluminum-ion batteries are not yet manufactured at large scale or fitted in EVs. Companies like Tesla are working rapidly on this technology, but it will take some time before mass adoption. However, one thing is certain: within the next 2 to 3 years, as manufacturing becomes easier and cheaper, aluminum-ion batteries will leave lithium far behind.
Its immediate impact on the EV market. The Tesla Model 1 represents a broader shift in the automotive industry towards sustainability and innovation. The success of this model could encourage other manufacturers to invest more heavily in electric vehicle technology and explore new ways to reduce costs without sacrificing quality. The push towards affordability in the EV sector also has significant environmental implications. As more consumers transition from gasoline-powered vehicles to electric ones, the overall carbon footprint of transportation could be significantly reduced. This shift is crucial in the global effort to combat climate change and promote a more sustainable future. Moreover, the Model 1 could play a pivotal role in addressing urban transportation challenges. With its compact design and affordability, the Model 1 is well suited for city driving, where space is at a premium and shorter trips are more common. This could lead to a reduction in urban air pollution and congestion, improving the quality of life for city dwellers. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, could you leave your comments below and tell us, would you buy the new $10,000 Tesla Model 1? We want to hear from you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.